Yogaha Karmasu Kaushalam.
Namaskar and welcome to Gujarat University. Welcome to the UGC Human Resource Development Center of Gujarat University. Friends, we are meeting on the occasion of the inaugural of Guru Dakshata. Guru Dakshata, a program envisioned by the great scholars of India that has been envisioned by Ministry of Human Resource Development and University Grants Commission together. This Guru Dakshata was imparted by various institutions and various agencies like Pandit Madan Mohan Malaviya Teacher Training Institutes and UGC Human Resource Development Centers across the country. When we are meeting on the occasion of launching of Guru Dakshata, I would like to tell you friends that we are meeting on a historical event. This is a historical event because for the first time in the history of higher education of India, this Guru Dakshata program is launched online. And I'm proud to share that UGC Human Resource Development Center of Gujarat University is the first to launch this Guru Dakshata program. Friends, I'm very happy that I have received tremendous response from all the participants like you. Many friends like you were calling me, were emailing me, and were texting me that, sir, please accommodate us in this program. Because earlier we thought to go for just one program with limited number of participants which were suggested by UGC and the guidelines of Guru Dakshata. Friends, the guidelines of Guru Dakshata and UGC guidelines, they suggested that we should go for minimum 20 number to maximum 40 number. But when we have launched this, the response was tremendous. And I have talked to the Joint Secretary and Secretary of UGC. I've talked to various office bearers of the UGC, and we have discussed about this online mode. And when this online mode was approved by UGC, there are many directors from all over the India, directors of UGC Human Resource Development Centers. They have requested UGC that looking at the situation of lockdown, we should go for online courses. And UGC was kind enough to look at the importance of it. They've helped all of us that, okay, you can go for online courses. And when we have got nod from UGC, when UGC told us, okay, it is possible that you can go for online courses, and when they have permitted us that we can go for online courses, we were discussing among the directors that, okay, which courses we should go for. The group of directors, most of the people were of the opinion that okay, we can go for the short-term courses, or we can go for some programs which are of short-term nature, not of long-term nature. Because when you look at the guidelines of Guru Dakshata, it talks about the residential nature of it. It talks about various aspects related to Guru Dakshata, where we need to go for a lot of projects and where we have to go for a lot of other things. So practically we were discussing that whether it is possible to go for Guru Dakshata online. Then I took a challenge because this HRDC, friends, the HRDC of Gujarat University has organized number of online courses. I'm very proud to share that recently we have completed 112 short-term courses on e-content development. And in these programs, in these courses, about 4,000 participants have been trained. When I looked at that, okay, during this epidemic, during this pandemic, during this lockdown, my peers, my fellows, they were facing problems to go for online. And when UGC and MHRD has suggested that we should go for at least 25% of the syllabuses online. When they suggested that college and university teachers have to think of delivering at least 25% of their syllabus for this year with online mode. I could see that many of my friends were interested in learning how to deliver this online. They were very much interested in delivering the maximum they can do, the best way they can do, but they were worried about the proper training. And it is very much necessary that we should train them properly so that they can really deliver in the best way. I repeatedly tell this, and I would like to tell you also, friends, that I believe that we have the best content. We means I'm talking about all the professors. We have the best content. We know the nerves of the students. We know exactly what they want. We know exactly what they look for. We can customize the content for the presentation to the audience, that means our students. And we have the best presentation. Now, when we are mix of the best content and best presentation, we are the best fitting people who can go for online courses. So to help our fraternity, to help friends like you, I have organized short-term program. When I was organizing the first short-term program, short-term course on e-content development, I thought that, okay, I'll get about 20, 30 participants and we will go for it and we will try to learn it. We together will try to learn it. But to my surprise, I've received more than 300 applications. It went on, and as I told you now, I have completed 112 short-term courses on e-content development. When I'm talking to you, again, we have floated one more short-term program on e-content development, and the response is again tremendous. Friends from all over the country, different parts of India, whether it is Gujarat or Karnataka or Rajasthan or Madhya Pradesh or what not, Delhi and which not, I guess I have participants from all the states of India, and really it is India which is represented in the short-term programs. I'm telling you this because I would like to tell you, friends, there is an importance of online courses. And those who are really confident, those who are really interested in delivering these courses in online mode, I suggest you that you should try for it. Our HRDC is very much trained in online courses. Before I come to that, I would like to tell you something about Gujarat University. The university to which I belong, that means Human Resource Development Center belong, is Gujarat University. And Gujarat University is one of the prominent universities of India and the first university in Gujarat. In two ways, there are many things which I can talk about where Gujarat University leads Gujarat in education and dissemination of knowledge. But I would like to talk about two recent developments. Friends, Gujarat University is the only university in whole Gujarat which has been ranked as 5-star university by Government of Gujarat. Not only that, I would like to share this proudly, friends. I'm very proud to say that, friends, really I'm feeling so delighted to say that my university, my Gujarat University, is ranked 44th by NIRF in India. That means it is among top 50 institutes of higher education in India by NIRF, National Institutional Ranking Framework 2020. So this framework, this national ranking has ranked us at 44th number, and I'm very proud to talk about it. Friends, when I'm talking about Gujarat University, I'll just take you to Gujarat University and I would like to give you the glimpse of Gujarat University. But before that, I would like to talk about HRDC, from which you are going to take this Guru Dakshata program. HRDC is really capable of delivering this Guru Dakshata program. Friends, my HRDC has developed and very nicely, successfully executed the first of its kind online refresher course in English in India in the year 2018-19. About 2,500 participants have attended that. It was the first of its kind in India. That was given by MHRD. MHRD has selected various centers in India who were given responsibility to carry out online refresher courses. We have been identified as National Resource Center of Ministry of Human Resource Development. And we developed it and we successfully run that program. So that happened in 2018-19. After that, friends, the first of its kind online annual refresher program in English language teaching, that means ARPIT, was also launched by this HRDC, and record break participants. You won't believe me, friends, when I'll talk about the number of participants. We have catered to 9,000 professors of India under this course of ARPIT. So in this ARPIT program, we have catered to about 9,000 participants, and that was in just recent, that means 1920. So in 1920, we have run a program with 9,000 participants. In 1819, we have run a program with about 2,500 participants. I would like to tell you, I begin with that, and that I would like to again repeat with you, friends, that the first ever online short-term program on e-content development during lockdown and unlock 1 was organized by this HRDC. And as I told you, we have catered to more than 4,000 participants in this program, and we have trained them, we have helped them to come out with lot of online content and lot of online learning. And I would like to tell you, friends, many of those participants, they are very successfully running their programs. They have developed their own websites. They are running their online courses and whatnot. Friends, the first ever online professional development program for administrative staff of universities was organized by this HRDC in online mode. 105 participants from different universities of Gujarat, they have participated in this, and they appreciated HRDC like anything. I would like to tell you, friends, you will get astonished to know that this HRDC is really doing so well. And now you all are a family member. You all are a part of this HRDC. And I'm sharing this to you because I treat you as family member now. With each course, we widen our family. Each participant of this HRDC is a family member of this HRDC. And this HRDC has a very big family of about 25 to 30,000 participants. Friends, I would like to tell you that PhD coursework, it is very important that it is to be conducted by following UGC guidelines. We have worked on that, and I'm very proud again to say that this HRDC has been given responsibility to run PhD coursework since last 5 years. We have been running successfully PhD coursework programs for all the PhD scholars registered for each subject in Gujarat University. We have talked about, we had various discussions, we had various guidelines from UGC and different agencies and different committees of Gujarat University like Academic Council, Executive Council, BUTR. They have discussed in detail that what is to be done about PhD coursework in this pandemic. So we have come out with a novel idea, and that idea was, let us go for PhD coursework in a blended mode. That means mix of online and offline. And we have organized PhD coursework in a blended mode for all the PhD registered students of Gujarat University. And I'm very happy to share that many other universities have also joined hands with us. I would like to say proudly that BKNMU, that is Bhakta Kavi Narsi Mehta University of Junagadh, and KSKV, that means Kanti Guru Krishna Varma Kutch University, Bhuj, they have also joined hands with us, and we are going to organize PhD coursework for their students, for the PhD registered students of those university also. So this is not an institute just for one university. We work for professional development of academicians and administrators, anybody who is working in higher education. So we work for PhD scholars, we work for PhD guides, we work for deans, we work for registrars, we work for deputy registrars, we work for head of departments, we work for professors, we work for associate professors, we work for assistant professors. All, you name the designation, and we work for them, and we work for professional development of them. We together try to learn from each other. I won't say, or we never claim that we teach you. We know that you know many things. We know that you are expert in your field, but we try to help you. We try to help you to come out with what you are good in, how you can sharpen your skills, and how you can shine up. That is what is the motto of this HRDC. We have been coordinating, that means HRDC of Gujarat University is coordinating the online e-content creation training for all the professors of the colleges and universities of Gujarat state, along with Department of Higher Education, Commissionerate of Higher Education, and Knowledge Consortium of Gujarat in 2020. That means present year. Friends, UGC HRDC Gujarat University has been funded enormously by RUSA, Rashtriya Uchchatar Shiksha Abhiyan. And I would like to say again that, friends, we are one of the very few HRDCs which have fruitfully and successfully organized programs under RUSA. We have collaborated with various reputed institutes like IIM Ahmedabad, that means Indian Institute of Management Ahmedabad, SPIPA, IIT Delhi and IIT Mumbai, Jawaharlal Nehru University, Delhi University, Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration, Mumbai University, Narsi Mohanji Institute of Management, Inflibnet, SNDT Mumbai University, St. Xavier's Autonomous College of Mumbai, NIPA, National Institute of Educational Planning and Administration, NIPA, New Delhi, NCRT, UGC, MHRD, and whatnot. We are ready to collaborate with anybody who is really would like to excel in higher education, who would like to help the fraternity of higher education to excel, and who would like to support and shoulder the responsibility of excellence in higher education. Friends, I would like to tell you that the website of our UGC HRDC is very dynamic. We are going to provide you the link of the website and try to visit that website. Our journal of HRDC of Gujarat University is indexed in Crossref. and has digital object identifiers. Each article, each research paper published in the journal is tagged with digital object identifier. That means DOI. You can just have a look at the website and you will learn about it. We invite international resource persons to deliver sessions in our various programs. We will try to invite some international resource persons in this program also. We have entered in MOU with several universities of Canada and several universities of Europe. We provide consultancy to various institutions. Friends, it is very innovative and established training institute in India and I would like to say Gujarat. We collect video feedbacks from the participants and we collect them and we kept them on our website. If you would like to visit if you'd like to see these feedback videos, you can have a look at the link. I'll just show you the link from where you can have a look at these feedbacks. So this is a glimpse of the institution in which you are going to attain your Guru Dakshata program. So we are capable of helping you to develop yourself. Friends, last but very important, not at all list is we are ranked at 15th number in India by NAAC, National Accreditation and Assessment Council. Friends, we are ranked at number 1 in Gujarat by NAAC, the similar agency. So I would like to welcome all of you to such an HRDC which is striving to cope up with your expectation, which is very much vibrant in itself. All my staff members, all my team is so much motivated to help you to learn from each other. We would like to learn a lot from you and I expect the same that you will also try to learn similarly from us. We together can make difference and let us try to grow together. If we will work together, we can really grow. Now I would like to take you to the glimpses of Gujarat University. Let's have a look at a small video of Gujarat University, which will give you an idea about what Gujarat University is. Let's have a look at the video.
Located in the heart of UNESCO World Heritage City, Ahmedabad, Gujarat University with more than 4 lakh national and international students makes it a large and inspiring place to work and study. 270 acres of lush green eco-friendly campus in conjugation with new knowledge and ideas. University meets societal challenges through strategic investments in education, research, creativity and entrepreneurship. Extremely modern and state-of-the-art infrastructure with International Convention Center, Olympic Standard Sports Complex, Open-Air Theatre and Genetic Diagnostic Center. Foresight into technological life cycle and agile systems takes Gujarat University far ahead of other higher educational institutes. Promotion of research, consultancy and extension for benefit of society through Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Center for Extension, Research and Innovation. Strong research and unique study programs including 2 finishing schools and research park bolster the industry-academia collaborations and also allure national and international students and researchers. Only state-funded university to incorporate 3 nationally funded incubators, which play a pivotal role in shaping and nurturing the startup ecosystem in Gujarat. Incorporating a strong sense of openness, Gujarat University actively participates in public debates and dialogues, cross-cultural university partnership through national and international collaborations to enhance global competitiveness. 3 world records and 2 national awards, together with history of individual and institutional level achievements, makes Gujarat University committed to excellence, innovation, and highest standards in higher education. The NIRF 2020 ranking places Gujarat University at the 44th position nationally and 12th position among state-funded universities in India. Gujarat University offers a rare combination of elite academic performance and integrated learning environment, thus making Gujarat University a sought-after institution, which has proved its ingrained motto of Yogaha Karmasu Kaushalam.
I'm sure that, friends, you must have been impressed a lot by the campus of Gujarat University. I would have been very happy to host you in the campus. This is a lush green campus and a very big campus. We have our own state-of-art infrastructure. We have our EMRC and whatnot. I would be very happy to host you whenever it is possible for you to come to Ahmedabad, whenever it is possible for you to visit Gujarat University. I'll be happy to show you my campus and I'll be happy to host your visit to Gujarat University. It is unfortunate that we are not able to meet face-to-face this time. But friends, I'll not make you feel that we are not face-to-face. Now we'll go further in the process of this inaugural function. I would like to request all of you to rise on your place to respect the university song of Gujarat University. Let us respect, let us rise, let us stand up at our place and listen to the illuminating song, university song of Gujarat University.
Vandan Abhinandan, Vandan Abhinandan, Vandan Abhinandan, Vandan Abhinandan, Vandan Abhinandan. Gujarat University apni, Gujarat University apni vidya tanu tapovan. Vandan Abhinandan, Vandan Abhinandan, Vandan Abhinandan, Vandan Abhinandan.
राष्ट्र चेतना कला साधना खेल भावना विकसे
विश्व मानवी बनी गुजराती विश्व सकल માં વિલસે સ્નેહ સંપ સહકારની સાથે દેતી તું સન્મતિ સૌના સાથને સંગાથે સૌ સિદ્ધ કરે ઉન્નતિ પ્રેમ બંધુતા સમાનતાના પલ પલ પ્રસરે સ્પંદન વંદન અભિનંદન વંદન અભિનંદન વંદન અભિનંદન વંદન અભિનંદન વંદન અભિનંદન વંદન અભિનંદન વંદન અભિનંદન.
Gujarat University song, when I listen, really I feel so proud of my university. Vandan Abhinandan. I really would like to bow my head to Gujarat University. I would like to pray to my Gujarat University, that is called Vandan. And Abhinandan is I'm congratulating my Gujarat University. I really feel so proud of my Gujarat University. And I tell you that I feel so thrilled when I listen to this Gujarat University song. Friends, after listening this song of Gujarat University, I would like to take you to the tour of Gujarat University, a detailed tour of Gujarat University. As I told you, it is not possible for me to take face-to-face to Gujarat University. But yes, friends, it is very much possible that I can take you to the virtual tour of Gujarat University. So let's have a virtual tour of Gujarat University.
Yoga Karmasu Kaushalam.
Meaning, integrating skill in action. This is the motto of the Glory of Gujarat, that is, the Gujarat University. Taken from Srimad Bhagavad Gita, this motto truly amplifies the soul of the university. Shining like the crown of the vibrant state of Gujarat, Gujarat University has been following the path of excellence throughout its glorious journey in providing the best quality higher education. The first name amongst all is Shri Hiralal Parekh, Secretary of Gujarat Vernacular Society. Shri Parekh started discussing his vision in Buddhi Prakash magazine in 1917. These are the words by visionary, who put great intellectual hard work in the establishment of the university. The name of the visionary is Shri Anand Shankar Bapubhai Dhruv, whose statue stands at the entrance of the Senate Hall of the university. Shri Ganesh Vasudev Mavlankar also played a key role in the establishment of the university. In December 1943, a literature conference was held in Vadodara, chaired by Srimati Vidya Gauri Neelkant, who nurtured the dream of Gujarat University to become a vision. All the literators present in the conference presented a resolution for the establishment of the university. During the same time, Shri Kasturbhai Lalbhai, a well-known industrialist of Gujarat, also shared the dream and vision of highly literate Gujarat. He donated huge funds and also became very instrumental in providing large piece of land for constructing the university campus. On 23rd November 1949, under the Gujarat University Act, our Iron Man Shri Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel laid the foundation stone of the university. Gujarat University's first Vice-Chancellor, Justice Shri Harsid Bhai Divetia, showed great passion in sculpting the development of the university. Gujarat University was privileged to have Vice-Chancellors like Dr. Harsid Bhai Divetia, Shri Magan Bhai Desai, Shri L.R. Desai, Shri Uma Shankar Joshi, Justice Noman Bhai Mia Bhai, Shri Ishwar Bhai Patel, Dr. P.C. Vaidya, Shri K.S. Shastri, Dr. N.N. Desai, Shri N.V. Vasani, Professor S.B. Vora, Dr. Naresh L. Ved, Shri A.U. Patel, Dr. Parimal Trivedi, Dr. Adesh Pal, Dr. M.N. Patel,
and Dr. Himanshu Pandya,
who enlightened the path of the university towards great development. The journey of Gujarat University that began with modest 4 postgraduate departments and 13 colleges has now grown phenomenally to 47 postgraduate departments, 50 affiliated institutes, and 372 colleges. Adding more to the ever-stopping growth, 9 major state universities and numerous private universities have branched out from Gujarat University. The topmost colleges like LD Arts, MG Science, St. Xavier's, HL College, BJ Medical and Gujarat College are the best gifts of Gujarat University to the state and nation. The university has been recognized by associated with various prestigious institutes like PRL, Physical Research Laboratory, Space Application Center at ISRO, or Indian Space Research Organization, Institute of Plasma Research, BISAG, Bhaskaracharya Institute of Space Applications and Geoinformatics, and many other such organizations. The renowned universities today, like Nirma University, Gujarat Law Society, Ahmedabad Education Society, LD College, and LM College of Pharmacy, have branched out from the Gujarat University. Gujarat University is an epitome for an education hub for the high quality and less expensive education it provides. Students from marginalized and weak economic background study here along with children from well-to-do families. This is the USP of the Gujarat University. In the center of densely populated Ahmedabad city, Gujarat University is like a biodiverse oasis. Gujarat University has proved to be an amazing microhabitat to thousands of species of flora and fauna. Gujarat University has prestigious alumni.
I, Professor Himanshu Pandya, feel humbled and privileged to serve as a Vice Chancellor of this university. Gujarat University is my alma mater. I invite each and everyone to be part of this alma mater. Gujarat University is having a wide acceptance by all the global agencies, where students are encouraged to achieve the excellence in their respective fields. We at Gujarat University are offering so many courses which are globally in demand. Some of them are bioinformatics, climate change impacts management, human genetics, biomedical technology, clinical research. Moreover, Gujarat University is focusing on research and developmental aspects, where faculties and students can contribute to their respective fields. They can go for the extension activities, collaborations with international agencies. We will be happy to help for each and every student for whatever research they are pursuing in their respective areas. Gujarat University is also coming up with Center of Excellence. Moreover, we are planning a research park where we are going to invite industry to develop their R&D units at Gujarat University. This will be in 3 phases, where we are going to address pharmaceutical science, humanities, law, forensic science, toxicology, biotechnology. Altogether, the picture would be where Gujarat University students can be placed globally. Our aim is to develop a system where university will work for the student, of the student and by the student concept. We want to ease the process of admissions, examinations and result by involving a digital process to the system.
ગુજરાતનું નામ હિન્દુસ્તાનમાં નહીં આખા વિશ્વમાં ગાજી રહ્યું છે. એવા સંજોગોમાં હું આવી ખાણસમી પોટેન્શિયલ ક્ષમતા ધરાવતી યુનિવર્સિટીને આવતા દિવસોની અંદર આપણે સીધા વૈશ્વિક સ્તરે ના જઈ શકીએ હું સમજુ છું. પણ આજના દિવસે એવું નક્કી ના કરી શકીએ, એવો સંકલ્પ ના કરી શકીએ કે પહેલાં આપણે હિન્દુસ્તાનની 10 યુનિવર્સિટીમાં ગુજરાત યુનિવર્સિટીને મૂકવી છે.
These words by Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan will always remain alive in the heart of Gujarat University.
I'm very sure that you are very much impressed by the virtual tour of Gujarat University and you all are willing to come to Gujarat University. I would be very happy to host you and I want to invite all of you. After this unlock 1 maybe or unlock 2, whenever the things get normal and whenever it is possible for you to come to Gujarat University, it's my standing invitation to all of you to come to Gujarat University. Friends, we are a very good host. In Gujarat, we say our guest is our God. So I would like to treat you as my guest and God whenever you will visit Gujarat University. Now, let us meet the leaders of Gujarat University under whose able leadership Gujarat University is flourishing. The leaders of Gujarat University are my Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Himanshu Pandya, my Pro-Vice Chancellor, Dr. Jagdish Bhavsar, and our custodian and the Registrar of Gujarat University, Dr. P.M. Patel. I would like to introduce them to all of you. I would like to introduce them all to you. It's my pleasure that I can introduce them to you.